but I must admit, I am really looking forward to seeing how far I can go in my current condition. Oh well, I guess I'm getting a little too carried away.
That's for sure.
I'm sorry. I didn't know you were there. I'm sorry.
Hey, I'll tell you what. Why don't we have a go at it right now?
No, I gotta go. Bye.
Did you have to do that? He was waiting for you.
It didn't look that way to me.
Oh, that was so scary. I really need to call it a day and get a little sleep. I'm so late I'm gonna have to take a taxi. But where can I find one around here? Oh, thanks very much. I haven't done anything wrong. I didn't even hit her with my best shot.
What the hell are you saying? Huh. I thought I'd at least just talk to you.
Huh?
We both got our title matches coming up soon. I'm winning mine. Win yours too.
Huh? Could he actually be encouraging me?
Don't get me wrong. I just don't want anyone else having the pleasure because I want to be the one to slaughter you. See ya.
Kaya nga, parang hinihintay ko nga na maglaban kami uli para malaman ko kung hanggang saan ngayon eh. Sorry ha, parang ang yabang yata ng dating ko. Sensya na.
Buti alam mo.
Sorry po, hindi na po maulit.
Hinihintay mo pala, ha? Gusto mo ngayon eh.
Hindi na ako magtatagal. Kailangan ko na umuwi.
Naman? Hinintay ka pa naman niya. Ikaw talaga?
Parang hindi naman eh.
Parang sasabog yung puso ko. Makauwi na nga't gagabi na ako. Wala nang dumadaang taxi banda rito. Saan pa kaya merong masasakyan? Salamat ah! Wala akong ginagawang masama. Wala akong ginawa sa kapatid mo.
Ano ba problema mo? Kakausapin na sana kita eh.
Ha?
Pareho tayo magkakaroon ng title match, di ba? Siguradong panalo ko. Dapat ikaw rin.
Ha? Parang pinapalakas niya loob ko.
Huwag kang magkakamali. Hindi ka dapat matalo dahil walang ibang dapat dumurog sa'yo kundi ako.